So yes, as a business leader, I'm often being asked, like, what advice do I have? And this is a great question. What advice have I received that I wish I never followed? And I think it's something that we all hear a lot is fake it till you make it. Well, this is a double-edged sword. I think in some respects, I understand the sentiment behind this statement in that sometimes you just go for it, right? You might not know what you're doing, but you just jump in and you do it. And I absolutely agree with that. Most entrepreneurs probably would never started their businesses if they weren't naive about what they were getting into. And that's a little bit of a different than fake it till you make it. I do think fake it till you make it can be a double-edged sword in that sometimes maybe there's things that you shouldn't be doing and you've never done it before, and you just have to be honest with yourself first and then honest with your clients, your team on whether you should be trying something new. For example, one of the reasons that we partner on things like paid campaigns is we tried faking it till we made it in the beginning. And we just found, being really good at paid advertising means that you're have a team that's analytical, that's what they focus on, that's what they do, and that's important. You want somebody who's a specialist in that. And that's what I've learned. Instead of fake it till you make it, find a partner that knows what they're doing and partner with them. And we're being fortunate, we have some really great partners in the paid campaign space and PPC or social paid campaigns, and that's been really great for us. And we love it because we can still provide our clients that full rounded service of integrated marketing, but partnering with people that are really good at certain parts of that, so they're getting the best service all together. All right, so fake it till you make it's a double-edged sword. I recommend finding your true path and finding good partners first.